Hello, crafters. I'm coming in with a fun haul from Canada. This is coming from Pear Tree Treasures, which my dear friend Monica Partridge owns. And her website is shop.peartreetreasures.ca/. And of course, I'm going to have all the links down below. And I want to let you know that this is the Rainbow and Sunshine Bundle. And this is on sale for $49 right now. That's what a great deal you're getting, okay? And it is well worth over $70 worth of product. So I feel so special that she sent this to me because it's absolutely beautiful and like 1,000% worth the money, just saying. And for us in the USA, it's actually cheaper for shipping than it is for Canadians. So that's a plus right there. Okay, so anyway, let's get into what we have here. So first of all, we have the Hello Sunshine Fun Stampers Journey, and you get 7 stamps. So you have the cloud with the raindrops. You have this really super cute boy with his little paper sailboat, and he's standing in a puddle. And then we have this cute little girl with her headband. Actually, it's a cap. I apologize. Her little cap, and she has a little umbrella, and it says Hello Sunshine. And then here you have You Are My Sunshine when skies are gray, and you have this cute little umbrella with polka dots. And you know, one of my friends, Rena, it's like snowing near her today in Colorado, and of course it's in the 90s here. Whew, it's hot. But anyway, also this is a really super cute die, and this is called the Huge Hello Die Set. And how huge is this? Okay, so the H actually from the top to the bottom, and I'm talking about the actual written word, is 2.5 inches. Isn't that freaking awesome? I'm just saying, I love anytime I can have big letters, okay? Only because now I have to wear granny glasses. I'm going blind. So anyway, yes, I'm excited about that. Then also, you get this really cute package of rainbow bling, and this is 3.5 by 3.5. So you get quite a bit of gems in here. I'm pretty excited about this because I love gems and I love rainbows. So we have some embossing folders, and I'm going to go ahead and pull this one out, and it's going to be hard to see. And I can only tell you this because it is like a electric yellow color, but I'm going to see. Nope, that does not help. Let's see, does that help? Not really. But anyway, it is super cute. I'll just tell you what's on here. So you get rainbows and sunshine bursts, and you get raindrops and stars. It is just so stinking cute. So I'm excited to use these because right now I've been kind of obsessed with these embossing folders. Like for a long time they were kind of out, and now they're like just coming in and they're hitting hard too. So that's a lot of fun. Okay, hold on. Let me just, there's another embossing folder, and this one is called Love Stripes. You got stripes. And so not only can you use this for just everyday, you know, stuff, you could do some rainbow on here with your inks or watercolors. And also Christmas, hello, red and white stripes. I love it. And then we also have here the Sunshine alphabet. You got 72 lowercase letters, and I think the color is so cute. It's almost like a lemonade color, like between lemonade and orange, right? I'm just saying, just throwing that out there. And then you also will get the Sunshine tag set, okay? And you have the little llama that says hello, and it's so cute. Look at that. I'm sorry about the glare. Let me turn it this way because my light is over this way. Then we have You Are So Loved, and I love these roses. And the cactuses, let's stick together. That's cute. And then You Are My Sunshine. And then look at you doing grown-up things and stuff. That is cute with a chevron. And we have another white chevron with a thin white chevron. Just saying hello. And of course, you know I love the flamingo, okay? That is what, the state bird here for Florida? It's probably not, but it is now. I'm just kidding. And then we have kind of like these watercolor stripes with a light pink and a darker pink. And it says, hello, and then thanks a bunch. And I always love it when tags are, you know, they have multi-use. Okay, so different sayings on there that I could use for whatever. Also, we have, this is what is amazing here. Okay, you get 24 double-sided sheets, 6 designs, 4 of each. I'm sorry, it doesn't get any better than that. Okay. And look at these adorable little birds. Oh my gosh. First of all, this is one of my favorite color combinations. Green, blue, peaches, whites. I love, love, love it. And the yellows in here, gorgeous. And then on the back side, you have your really pretty, you know, it's like a very light colored, you know, green plaid. So I really like that. And I know my camera is not doing it justice. It's doing this one justice, but not that plaid. And I have no idea why. I think that sometimes the cameras get like weirded out by stripes. I'm not sure why. And then we have these really cute pink sunflowers. And then I don't know what these are, like little lollipop flowers and daisies. And I love the greenery in the background. That's just so pretty. I especially love that they even went and put in minimal, you know, like really tiny patterns underneath. That's cute. And then we have our gingham. Who doesn't love pink gingham? Love it. So that's pink and white. And then this is like one of my favorite pages out of this collection. You have these adorable little houses. It's like a little town. You have kites and flowers and little bikes and birds. Little dog that says ruff, ruff. And the rainbows and the clouds. I really like this one. It's busy, but what I like about it is that the colors aren't like at ya. Okay, so it makes sense. It's not displeasing to the eye, in my opinion anyway. I love it. And then here's my favorite page out of this whole thing. When I lived in New Jersey and when we used to go to the shores in Georgia and South Carolina, I used to fly kites and I loved it. Now, of course, when you go into the beach, you got to get a really strong kite, so not the little cheapies. And I really loved it. So I used to live on the Jersey Shore. And then I moved to Texas and it was hot, hot, hot. Okay. Then we have this really cute like spring vegetable garden. You have a little snail. I love the carrots and the radishes and the lettuce. Oh, they even have mushrooms in here. Some little flowers. I don't know what else is hidden in here, but I'm sure you can find something in here. But it is cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then we have our yellow with kind of like a sunshine burst on the, you know, in a pattern. So that's really cute. Let's see what else we have. Is that a different one? Yes. Okay, sorry. Let me move on. Now, these remind me of Georgia, New Jersey, and Wisconsin. You know, they always have like the little buttercups in the grass, and we used to pick them and like rub the yellow on our hands and fingers and stuff. And then we have the beautiful stripe patterns, and I love the spring colors. It almost reminds me of like gift wrap. But I think that is it for the collection. Oh, no, there's one more. What? Okay. This one is a white background with rainbows and sunshine bursts and stars and raindrops. I love it. Okay, I'm going to say that this one is like my third favorite out of all of these. I don't even know. It's kind of hard. Between the houses and this one. Oh, wait, the birds too? Oh, man. Okay, well, I like a lot. Oh, and I really like this one. Okay, I love the color. So you have like your sky blue with the clouds, and I love how they have really cute patterns going through them. And of course, the rainbow colored raindrops like Skittles. I love it. Let me see if there's any more collections I'm missing. No. Okay, I made it to the end. So I'm going to be doing an exclusive class, and I don't really know how much it's going to be yet. I think it's going to be $10 per person. And this is through Monica. So I will get back to you on that, but I'm not really sure. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Please don't forget to visit Pear Tree Treasures. And I think you're just going to love what she has in her shop. And if you live in Canada, go to her store. It is gorgeous. It is amazing. And I know y'all can't go right now because it's kind of shut down. But as soon as it opens, y'all need to go because I know you're going to love it. And you're going to love Monica. She is so fun. She's so nice. And she's hilarious. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a wonderful and fabulous afternoon, guys. See you soon.